worry about. So nothing to worry about.
Hey guys, what's up? Quantum FPV here. I've been doing a lot of computer-aided design stuff, which is basically just like 3D modeling. On the side for some people, I design frames sometimes, GoPro mounts, etc. But I figured I'd make it official since so many people were asking me for stuff. So, I've started a little company business thing called FruityCAD. The logo is that, and yeah, basically, I'm gonna put a little screen up that basically shows my prices, some of the models I've made. If you want to contact me and see my catalog, please email me in the email in the description. minimoviesrolypoly@gmail.com. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the new channel art, the rebranding, etc. And have a good one.